Greetings, Red Wolf Nation. It's time for your Red Wolf Rewind for January 18th, 2017. A couple more big wins for your IU East basketball teams on January 17th. The women's basketball team defeated IU Kokomo 79-66 in a matchup of River State's conference division leaders in the River State's Conference Game of the Week.
Red Wolf push the ball on up the floor to Springwire. Finds Strymon inside the lane. Nice play for the Red Wolves. On over the right side, Niehawk over to Miller. Miller for the three. And this one's good for Kristen Miller.
The men's basketball team overcame a slow start and earned a 76-55 win against Indiana University Kokomo.
I think it's nice for IU Kokomo right now. Yes, they have 6 fouls in the first half. Nice lob down inside and Jordan Powell. Red Wolves with one is now their largest lead of the ball game. On over to the right side, broken up by Aaron Thomas. Thomas on the move to the basket, lays this one in. He goes sideline and he goes into the Cougar defense, out to Peterson for the three. This one is good.
Coming up on Saturday, January 21, two more home games for your IU East basketball teams. Both will be playing against Cincinnati Christian University. The women's game tips off at 1 p.m., with the men's game to follow at approximately 3 o'clock. This has been your Red Wolf Rewind for January 18th. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.